Hey everyone, it's Renz. Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you my updated home office tour in 2024. The items that I will be showcasing in this video are crucial to my work as a tech content creator and is geared towards productivity. Now, I love creating videos on consumer technology, my Tesla, and lifestyle topics. So if you're into that, you're in the right spot. This cozy space has evolved a lot, and this year marks some pretty significant changes. I can't wait to show you both familiar and some exciting new additions. Also, you can find all of these items listed in the description below, so sit back, unwind, and let's dive right in. I decided to spruce up my space this year by adding wood panels to my walls. They not only make my room feel more cozy, but they also help with sound. These walnut acoustic panels from Wood Veneer Hub are really nice. They work great at reducing echoes in my videos, saving me time on editing for better audio. Wood Veneer Hub sent me these panels nicely packaged. I chose the tallest size to fit my high ceilings. Installing them was quite easy, just add screws and attach them to the wall. In under 2 hours, I transformed my office walls and gear corner with a fresh new look. I love the walnut panels since they match my white and walnut theme. Now, if you want to spice up your space, I highly recommend these panels. They offer high quality and a variety of styles to suit your taste. Every good desk setup needs a strong desk like the Sway Standing Desk by Ergonofis. This desk, measuring 60 by 30 inches, is crafted from solid wood with a walnut finish in Canada. The desk has a cool touch interface as well. It has a small OLED screen. It lets you create user profiles, change settings, and adjust height by swiping up or down. It even reminds you to switch between sitting and standing. Plus, it has custom presets for easy adjustment. Ergonofis also provides a smart cable management solution. It includes a 9-outlet power strip to keep things organized. The Sway desk is elegant, easy to put together, and quiet. Its user-friendly design makes it a great addition to any office setup. I've used this desk for over 2 years now, and it still holds up. It really is one of the best standing desks I've ever used. I highly recommend it. In a productive workspace, a comfy chair is key. I spend 8 to 10 hours working each day, so comfort is a big deal for me. Whether I'm editing videos or chilling out, I can't do without my Youtoo chair from Ergonofis. I picked a cool black frame with smoke rust leather. Not just because it looks good, but because it's super comfy. This chair lets you customize it to fit your preferences. You can tilt it, lock it at the perfect angle, and adjust the height. The built-in lumbar support is also a lifesaver, especially for me since I've had back pain before. The seat slider makes it easy to find the right sitting position for good posture. The mesh back feels nice to the touch and makes the chair even more comfy. Now, I've had this chair and this desk for the past 2 years, and there's a good reason why I haven't replaced any of them. It really is a must-have in any space. Below my desk, I keep a file cabinet from Ergonofis. It stores important documents. The top drawer holds things I use a lot, such as my SSDs, Apple Watch bands, and cables. Plus, it rolls around on 4 lockable wheels for convenient moving. It also comes in different color options and is built pretty well. At the heart of my workspace sits my trusty 14-inch M1 Pro Macbook Pro, my go-to for getting stuff done. So I tried out the M3 Pro Macbook Pro, and after a week I actually returned it since I didn't really see a big performance jump compared to my M1 Pro MacBook. My M1 Pro MacBook has been totally reliable for me, even though it's a bit old. It handles most tasks like editing videos, photos, and some design work without breaking a sweat. The 14-inch size is just right, especially for folks always on the go. The XDR display is stunning and vivid, making work on the move a breeze. If you're looking to create a website quickly and easily, Bluehost is the way to go. Bluehost was created by WordPress experts, so you know they're pros. Their cloud hosting services have incredible features. With smart AI tools, you can get onboarded in minutes and you can get a custom, ready-to-go site. With Wonder Blocks, you can easily customize pre-made themes and web pages to suit your own style. You can also edit WordPress blocks, select from high-quality design options, and build your website quickly without any hassle. With their new Bluehost cloud product, they have 100% network uptime, lightning-fast load times, and 24/7 priority tech support. Between data encryption, automatic backups, and malware scans, their web hosting plans offer solid protection. Shared web hosting is super popular because it's a budget-friendly way to get your website up and running. Now, this is perfect for small or medium websites. All these tools make Bluehost secure and always ready to help you scale as you grow. So make sure to check them out for all of your web hosting needs. And thank you, Bluehost, for sponsoring a portion of this video. For my setup, I'm rocking the Apple Studio display. I've got it hooked up with the cool VESA mount arm from Ergotron. The studio display is a 27-inch 5K screen. It shows really crisp images with awesome brightness, helping me focus on my work. It's not the go-to for gaming with its 60Hz refresh rate, but I enjoy using it for browsing Netflix and editing my photos and videos. It's a bit on the pricey side compared to other monitors out there, but I still believe it is one of the top-notch, color-accurate, quality monitors that you can get today. A nice desk mat goes a long way to not only protect the surface of your desk, but also add a visual element to your workspace. This is a matte desk mat from Grovemade. Now, you've probably seen their name in many desk setup videos. They're the real deal when it comes to top-notch desk accessories. Picking the right size and color for your desk mat is key. I like my mat to take up a lot of space on my desk. It protects the surface and leaves room for my keyboard and mouse. Grovemade offers different sizes to fit all kinds of setups. I went for the medium plus in dark gray for my 60x30 desk, and it looks great with the walnut finish. The matte texture feels really nice, and the cork underside keeps it in place securely. Besides sizes, Grovemade now has a bunch of cool colors to choose from. I've tried out many mechanical keyboards in the past, but my top pick is the Envoy keyboard from Mo Designs. It's a 65% keyboard that you can fully customize on their website to make it just right for you. I picked a white frame with a cool copper accent piece. To match the white and walnut look of my desk, I added anthracite keycaps. These keycaps have a sweet eggshell and gray mix that I love. Now, even though this keyboard is a bit pricey, this keyboard looks, sounds, and feels top-notch. Typing on this keyboard is a total treat. Mo does offer a bunch of other keyboards, but this one is definitely my favorite. This desk accessories kit is awesome for getting things done. The Gather collection is super cool. It puts all of your important stuff in one place to help you work better. It includes a monitor stand, laptop stand, headphone stand, and phone stand with the charger. Plus, there are trays like zigzag tray for pens or pencils. You can store business cards or small items there too. The square tray is perfect for AirPods, paper clips, and SD cards. And under the monitor stand, there's a tray that fits your laptop just right. The best part is that these accessories have magnets on the bottom. You can arrange your things the way you want and they'll stay in place. I got mine in white and walnut combo, but there are also other colors available. The design's attention to detail is quite impressive. It's high quality, it looks fancy, and keeps everything nice and organized. This cool lamp is from a brand called KUXIU. The Nebula beam lamp has a cool magnetic strip that you can detach with a simple tap or shake. It charges with the USB-C cable. When it's super bright, it lasts for 8 hours, and if you dim it to 50%, it can go for 16 hours. I love having it on my desk. It really adds to the vibe of the room. To brighten up my desk a bit more, the Lumecube Edgelight 2.0 has been really handy. It can rotate 270 degrees so you can use it for video calls or streaming. With 5 pivot points, you can easily move the light around and adjust it however you like. Plus, you can change the color temperature from warm to cool. It's super helpful when I need extra light, especially at night. If you're looking for a compact LED desk light that won't break the bank, this one is definitely a good choice. The Opal C1 Webcam is awesome. It's got a cool design, it's small, and it promises DSLR-like quality images. Ever since I tried it out and reviewed it, it's been a must-have accessory on my desk. It really adds a professional touch to video calls, especially for those of us who work remotely. As a content creator, it is an essential for me since it makes me look more professional, especially when I'm in front of potential brand sponsors for the channel. Plus, the app support for the Opal C1 is fantastic. You can tweak your settings just the way you like them. The only downside is that it only works with Macs. Now, if you are looking for a webcam, I highly recommend the Opal C1. The Stand 1 Max from Nomad is a great choice if you need a charger for your iPhone, AirPods, and Apple Watch. It's built with tough metal and glass, so it's really sturdy. Unlike other chargers that wobble, this one stays firmly on my desk. I got the silver version with a cool silver and white design. There's also a carbide option in black and white for a sleek black look. It makes my desk look stylish and modern. It's one of the best chargers you can get today. I love using the Rodecaster Duo as my go-to audio setup. It has a 6-pad soundboard, 4 faders, built-in recording, and Bluetooth. The white version looks sleek on my desk, which is a nice bonus. It's honestly amazing. I paired it with the new Shure SM7DB and don't have to tweak the audio afterward. It has a preset just for this mic and it sounds fantastic. Plus, it works with both USB and XLR, making it perfect for streaming or podcasting. Oh, and it's compact too, so you can literally just take this with you wherever you go. To make things easier for making content, I got myself an impact rolling stand. I attached a super clamp with ball head so I can record easily. I have an Amaran 150C connected to a Light Dome Mini 3 and is perfect for these talking head videos. The Light Dome has nice diffusion and the 150C is versatile and even has RGB capabilities. You can control the light using the Sidus Link app, which is handy for setting up quickly. I just got this workbench from IKEA. It totally changed how I store my tech and gear. I chose this bench over a Husky one because it's smaller and cheaper. Even though it's not as sturdy as a Husky bench, I still think it's pretty decent. It has 4 drawers where I keep my camera gear and stuff I use often for making content. Above it, I put an IKEA pegboard. It holds batteries, cables, and other little things for content creation. I've been way better at making content because now it's just easy and efficient, and I just pretty much know where everything is. Govee was kind enough to send me their Glide Y lights for my accent wall. Even though they're usually meant for gaming setups, I just wanted a cool accent light for my talking head setup. Putting them up was a breeze and the lights are super sturdy. Plus you can control them with the app to switch up the effects. They really spruce up the area and just makes my YouTube videos pop. So that's my home office tour for 2024. Now, if you made it this far in the video, thank you. And if you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up. It really does mean a lot. I hope this video gave you some inspiration and some ideas, especially if you have a small home office space like mine. And with that, see you guys in the next one.